My dear student, today you appeared for MIL Assamese examination. Yesterday you got appeared in English examinations, and in both the examination we have calculated that 35 to 37 students you have got appeared. And out of 62, if 35 to 37 got appeared in the examination, what does it mean? It means that rest of the student you were not reading properly, you were not studying properly, you were in lockdown, all kinds of notes have been given to you, but still you were not studying properly. My dear student, one thing you have to remember, that you are the student of Ajmal College. And in Ajmal College, the student who will not appear in the examination, they are not our student. In Ajmal College, the student who are not following the rules and regulation, discipline of our college, they are not our student. My dear student, if you are not appearing in the examination, then we will be compelled to take action in the against of you. So many times we have requested you, so many times we have advised you to appear in the examination, but you are ignoring us. So for the last time, I am giving warning to each and every defaulters, each and every student who have not appeared in the examination, who are neglecting our examination. Please be careful and talk with me, talk with your principal, talk with the respective teacher why you have not appeared in the examination. I do hope that if you contact with us, we will give you a new date for you so that you can also appear in the examination. My dear student, only by the effort of the teacher, a college cannot do progress. For progressing, your help is must. From our side, we have done the best. We have finished our course. We have given you the notes. We have given our suggestion. We have given everything to you. Daily we are contacting with you. But after that also, if you are neglecting us, it's a matter of great concern. My dear student, lockdown is still continuing, and how much days it will continue, nobody knows. So please be careful. Please be attentive. Please appear in the examination. And if you have any problem, talk with us. We shall try our level best to solve your problem. Hope that you will appear in the rest of the examination, and the examination which you have left, will make it cover on another day. Thank you.